We're on the record in cause number 327828, the state of Texas versus Lewis Ray Kendrick. Mr. Kendrick, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Kendrick, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Kendrick, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Kendrick?
Yes, sir. Not bad.
I can't hear
Not too bad,
you.
sir.
Doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Mr. Kendrick, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
And number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have enough money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. If you already have an attorney that you have hired, then your attorney will be contacted and your case will be reset. If you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney, you will have to fill out a financial questionnaire to see if you meet the eligibility requirements. If you have already been appointed a court-appointed attorney, we will contact that attorney and reset your case. If you desire to represent yourself, you will inform the court of that desire. Mr. Kendrick, what is your choice?
Represent myself.
Okay, you want to waive your right to an attorney to represent yourself?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, now, Mr. Kendrick, I will read to you the waiver of counsel that is located in the State's Exhibit number 1, which is the misdemeanor plea admonishment. And it started at the fourth sentence. It says, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge, if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Mr. Kendrick, is that true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Kendrick, we'll give you an opportunity to sign this form, and you'll have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor.